Samsung is on the verge of expanding its foldable lineup once again, and this time it's doing something only one other major smartphone maker has successfully pulled off, launching a triple folding device. After months of anticipation and quiet teasers, the Galaxy Z trifold finally appears ready for launch, with a new report revealing both the release date and several key specifications. According to several reports from South Korean media, Samsung is preparing to launch the Galaxy Z trifold on December 5, followed by immediate sales in select markets. The trifold has been in development for years, but the first official reveal only arrived in October last month, and although the company had always hinted at a market release before the end of the year, I was a little skeptical. This latest report, however, confirms that the company is moving forward on schedule and intends to close out the year with one of its most ambitious devices yet. Samsung is said to be manufacturing only 20,000 to 30,000 units initially, using this limited run to measure real-world demand before expanding output if the demand is strong. The device is said to be launching in South Korea and select Asian countries including China, Singapore and the UAE, with broader international availability still uncertain. Bluetooth listing had hinted at a possible release in the United States, but the chances of that happening anytime soon appear slim. The device will be priced at around 4.4 million Korean won, or just under $3,000, placing it well above the company's current foldable models and reflecting its position as a niche, high-end showcase rather than a mass-market product. In terms of design and specifications, the cover display is expected to measure 6.5 inches, while the internal screen, when fully unfolded, expands to a tablet-like 10 inches display. The unfolded thickness is an impressive 4.2 mm, while the folded form factor measures around 14 mm. It uses a U-shaped inward folding design, where both sides of the screen fold toward the center panel, which differs from Huawei's Mate X-T, which employs an in-and-out folding mechanism. The design choice gives the Galaxy Z trifold a different handling experience and better protection for its internal display, but it also makes the device slightly thicker than the Mate X-T, which measures 12.8 mm when folded. Powering this complex form factor is a 5,600 mAh battery, a significant increase from the 4,400 mAh unit found in the Galaxy Z Fold 7. That said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.